Well, did not expect it to clear up this morning. And this morning it hasn't. It's, 30 minutes to noon. And it's actually turning out to be a half decent day. Really dirty. So, got the confirmation from Dad and Grace. We are skiing this afternoon. So we're gonna go make some turns, as it will be the last day I am skiing. I was hoping to get to South to do a few more shots, but that's not really possible today. So, just going to enjoy whatever we can enjoy at North. It's great. No good today. But the mountain is cloudy at the top. Walls is not raining though. It rained quite a bit this morning. So sometimes there's not much you can do about it. Anyways, breakfast was good. Had this vegan, gluten-free, sweet potato kind of sausage hash brown thing. It's really good. Not that I've been complaining about the food at all here. It's been great everywhere I've gone. I have eaten everything with little consequence. So I'm enjoying that. And I'm looking forward to getting up on the mountain and hiking around and enjoying my time up there. But tonight I've got to pack up my bags, sort out my backpack, because tomorrow after breakfast I'm going to get Rick or Tim, I think I've been calling him Eric by accident, to drop me off at the Gap at 125 so I can go up to the Skylight Pond shelter cabin thing and then double over there. So yeah, that's the plan for this week so far, and I will shoot video and do some vlogs, but I won't be able to do any sort of editing or uploading until obviously after I get back into the woods. So ciao for now, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, enjoy your day. Well, that is the last look at the mountain for this year, at least from a skiing perspective. It was a one run and done. It is super wet, super heavy. Good day to use a voucher. So I'm on my way back to the Swanson Inn so I can get ready for dinner tonight with Dad and Grace. Get some garbage coffee cup things here. And yeah, I'm gonna take my hiking bag, get that ready. The food bag packed tonight. Get ready tonight. Charge battery packs tonight. Cameras, gimbal. It's supposed to be quite the gambit of weather tomorrow, so it'll be interesting, but looking forward to it nonetheless. Anyways, I'm gonna pull out of here. I'll let you guys watch for a little while, and peace. So I just finished talking with Tim, the owner of the Swanson Inn. He is actually going to put together some like breakfast sandwiches for me tomorrow morning so I can get like an early start on the long trail. So looking forward to that. Means I'm getting up at probably 6 o'clock to pack the car, get ready, and I'll have some breakfast sandwiches to go. But yeah, they're giving me a lift up to the trail, so I really can't complain. An earlier start would be better than like a mid-afternoon or like a noon start leaving at 10 o'clock, which is the checkout time. So it's hitting me. I've got my bag upstairs in the hotel room. I stripped everything out of it, and I'm ripping out weight. Like, I wanted pancakes up there, but I want to have a better, lighter, more enjoyable trip. I'm going to be experiencing a whole bunch of different weather situations. So rain, sleet, snow mix, snow, it's going to get colder. So I want to make sure that I'm as light as I can be, so I can be as safe as I can be up there, and not risk injury in any way, shape, or form. And then also, unfortunately, I just heard that they're planning on selling the inn in a couple of years. But on the other hand, Tim is going to go and hike the AT in 2026. So that's his goal. So either way, I'm looking forward to it all. It's going to be fun. And then I can cook pancakes as I car camp it through to Camel's Hump and Mount Mansfield and things like that when I do a double over there as well. So, you know, it's not going to be terrible. I'll have food. I'm not worried. They're fantastic people. I just hope that the people that buy the inn will be just as awesome.